Thank you, Zoom. Hello. This is a pre-recording, so this is going to be for my Monday's mindset, and I hope everyone's having a crazy, fabulous weekend, and hope you actually enjoyed the Super Bowl. You're actually probably watching it right now. But once again, this is Carla Thornton McLean with CLT's Transformation Life Coaching. And like I said, this is a pre-recorded video for this week. What I want to talk about with you all today is going to be something very, very important that a lot of us probably don't even think about. And that's the power of positive affirmations, okay? So the first question I want to actually ask you before we actually jump into this is, what's one limiting belief you've held about yourself for far, far too long? And what would your life look like if you let it go today? Okay, I want you to think about that, okay? And if you want to, later on, if you actually want to answer and put in the comments, feel free to share, okay? So first of all, let's talk about the concept of positive affirmations, okay? Positive affirmations most of the time are short, powerful statements that are consciously repeated to challenge and replace negative thoughts with empowering beliefs, okay? They are rooted in cognitive behavior psychology and neuroscience, helping to reshape thought patterns and influence subconscious beliefs, okay? And let's talk about the significance in personal development and actually what it actually can do for you as far as in personal development, okay? The significance of it. It reprograms the mindset, okay? It encourages a shift from self-doubt to self-empowerment, fostering a growth-oriented mindset. So in other words, it reprograms the mindset. So if you're actually most majority of the time are walking around in a negative mindset, okay? What these affirmations can do for you, it reprograms the mindset. So in other words, it reprograms your mind still thinking negative, you replace it with positive affirmations. So it reprograms your mindset to be positive, okay? That shift from self-doubt to self-empowerment, okay? Two, it boosts self-confidence. It reinforces self-worth and capabilities, helping individuals take on challenges with optimism. In other words, is optimism. In other words, is some of us might walk around and really don't have that self-confidence. And if we're not surrounded, as they say, with your fabulous five, pay attention close to that fab five who you hang around with. In other words, you might be hanging around with a lot of negative people, negative energy, toxic people, not uplifting, and that can actually hurt you. So in other words, is these positive affirmations is actually going to boost your self-confidence. So it reinforces that self-worth and capabilities and helping you take on challenges with optimism. In other words, having that belief in yourself, okay? It enhances motivation. It strengthens the drive to achieve goals by reinforcing positive self-perceptions about yourself. In other words, it enhances motivation. So it helps you have that drive to achieve your goals by reinforcing those positive thoughts, if you will, about yourself. Okay, that self-perception turning into positive, still negative in regards to yourself. Four, it encourages consistency. So daily affirmations cultivate habits that align with personal growth and success. So very, very important that you're doing these on a daily basis, okay? Number five, it promotes resilience. It helps an individual bounce back from setbacks by focusing on strength and possibilities. And please believe me, you guys, you will actually have setbacks. But if you do not, or if you're not, I say resilient, that can actually hinder you. So once again, these positive affirmation promotes that resilience, okay? It helps you bounce back from those setbacks, okay? Let's talk about positive affirmations, the significance it has in mental health. Okay, it reduces that negative self-talk. You know, that negative Nancy that you have right around in your head. A lot of us have that, some more than others. It counters self-criticism and discouraging thoughts that contribute to anxiety and depression, okay? It also, number two, it lowers stress levels and encourages a calm and focused mindset, reducing the impact of stressors, okay? The third thing it does in regards to mental health, it enhances emotional well-being. So it supports positive emotions, fostering that inner peace and self-acceptance, okay? And I want to stop real quick, in other words, and talk about that which is very important, and enhances that emotional well-being. Every day, oh, you guys, if we're blessed to get 24 hours, um, it's going to be up and down. In other words, none of us know, even we plan, and I'm a planner myself. I don't care how much of a planner you are. Once again, 24 hours every day, we have no clues actually what's going to happen. It's good to plan, but does not mean it'll exactly go that way. Okay. So once again, those positive affirmation is going to enhance that emotional well-being. So it's going to support that positive emotion, foster that inner peace and self-acceptance that you're going to need in any given day. Because once again, you don't know what's going to be thrown at you. Okay. And number four, it improves focus and mindfulness. So it encourages present moment awareness and a constructive outlook on life. I'm going to talk about that one again. It improves focus and mindfulness. It encourages present moment awareness. Okay. And I'm going to stop right there real quick because I said, listen to what it says, encourages present moment awareness. Once again, we have no clue what's going to be thrown at us. So it encourages to improve focus and mindfulness in that exact moment because you don't never know what's going to hit you, okay? And then have a constructive outlook on life. Because when you actually want to do that, no matter what's thrown at you, at that very moment, that awareness is going to pop right up for you, okay? So like I said, that's very, very important in regards to the significant and those positive affirmations regard to mental health and improving that focus and mindfulness. Five, supports healing and recovery, used in therapeutic settings to help reframe trauma and foster emotional healing, you guys. Once again, it supports healing and recovery. Once again, we don't know what's actually going to happen. We don't know what has actually already happened to ourselves, our loved ones, and it can help to reframe that trauma and foster emotional healing. Okay. Once again, repeating those positive affirmations day in and day out every day. Okay. And once again, what we just went over, you guys, was how significant it is in regards to your personal development and then in regards to mental health. So now let's talk about self-belief affirmations. Let's go over some, okay? I'm just going to go over a couple with you all today. I do actually have what they called a guide, a printable guide. If you're actually interested in one, just actually let me know and I can shoot it over to you. But I'm just going to go over a couple today. I am capable, strong, and worthy of success. I trust myself to make the best decisions for my life. I release self-doubt and embrace my limitless potential. I am enough just as I am. My dreams are valid and I have the power to achieve them. I believe in my ability to overcome any challenge. And once again, that's just some of those self-belief affirmations. There's more. Like I said, if you're interested in getting those or getting a copy of a printable one, if I can get it over to you, just shoot me a direct message. Now let's go over some mental clarity affirmations. My mind is clear, focused, and at peace. I release mental clutter, and welcome clarity. I trust in my intuition and make wise decisions. This one's a good one. I let go of what I cannot control and focus on what I can. I'll read that one again. I let go of what I cannot control and focus on what I can. I am fully present in this moment. I embrace stillness and allow my mind to reset. Once again, that's just some of the mental clarity affirmations. If you're interested in looking at all of them and want to use some of them for yourself, like I said, I have a printable guide I can actually shoot over to you. Just make sure you reach out to me. Okay. Now let's talk about, you guys, how to use these affirmations. Okay. I just mentioned it at the beginning of the video. Repeat them daily. Okay. Preferably in the morning or before bed. Write them in a journal to reinforce their power. And once again, that power about saying them, something else about writing them in a journal to reinforce that power, okay, as well. Say them aloud with confidence and belief, okay? Place them in visible areas such as a mirror, workspace, or reminders, bathroom mirrors. I know a couple of people, I know loved ones, mirrors. A lot of us go to the kitchen. You know how you put your children's pictures or something, drawings up there in the kitchen, on the refrigerator, anywhere on your wall, at your desk, your workspace, if you're an entrepreneur at home or you're at work, just somewhere in your workspace. But make sure you have them visible where you can see them every day, okay? Use them during meditation or deep breathing exercises for deeper impact, okay? If you meditate, I actually currently have been doing since last year, started doing what they call chair yoga. And that's another good time, or anytime, whatever you're doing for your meditation, use them during that time as well, okay? Believe in yourself and clarity will follow. But it starts with you believing in yourself, you guys. And then that clarity will follow. And I'll tell you, I reiterate that and can't say it enough, because a lot of us, if you're one of those individuals looking for someone to define you, you don't need anyone to define you. You have to believe in yourself. It starts with you, okay? It starts with you believing in you. All the world, everybody can believe in you, but it means nothing if you're not believing in yourself, okay? That's is really what matters, okay? Really, really, very, very important is what you believe in yourself, okay? And then that clarity will follow, okay? And I wanted to take this time to say, please feel to share one of your favorite affirmations. I would love to actually hear from you or hear one of your favorite affirmations. If you're interested in learning more about self-improvement techniques, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to chatting with you on the next video. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.